I'm Jonathan. That over there is Kurt. I'm in Edmunds' long-term Lucid Air Grand Touring. Kurt is in an Acura NSX Type S, and this is Edmunds U-Drags.
And we're back. Today we have a 2022 Acura NSX Type S with 600 horsepower and 492 pound-feet of torque. Going up against our long-term 2022 Lucid Air Grand Touring with 819 horsepower and 885 pound-feet of torque. It also weighs over 1,000 pounds more. Yeesh. These two are going head-to-head on our Edmunds U-Drag track, which starts with a quarter-mile drag, then they hit the brakes, do a 180, and power back to start-finish. At the end of the first run, we'll swap drivers and lanes and do it again. Will the big bone Lucid have what it takes to go up against the JDM missile? Also, please consider the old like and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy or sell a car, go to Edmunds.com.
All right, NSX Type S. How to beat a Lucid off the line? A good question. It's actually not that hard to set up launch control in this car. You put it in Sport Plus, and then you twist this little knob here, and you hold it for a bit, and then track mode is active. Track mode disables some of the traction control system in this, and then it's just left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. You see a little message show up in the instrument panel, says launch control active. Take your foot off the brake, and away you go.
So we've run the Lucid here before, so we sort of know what to expect. As far as launch control, it's the same as always. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm gonna walk through really quickly. Really simple. You go into the car's drive modes. There's 3. You select Sprint, and that's it. Let's get going. See what happens.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We got a good launch.
Woohoo! Out ahead. Oh my God.
Jesus Christ, that thing's moving.
Oh, this car is no joke. Come on, stop. Oh my God.
Gotta get out of the corner a little ahead of him.
Oh, that was so slow. Oh, it's gonna be close.
Oh no, not enough. Come on.
Oh my God. Oh my God, come on! Come on, Lucid!
Come on.
Oh my God, got it. Got it by a hair. That was a lot closer than I was expecting. Oh man, that was exciting though. How was it for you?
Well, it sucked because I lost. It was all right on my end. It was just hard to get out of the corner. I might have gone in just like a couple miles an hour too hot, but I still got to wait. And like, as soon as that electric power hits, you're moving, and this thing still takes a little bit of time to get up to speed, but it was all right. Just don't like losing.
You know, you have, hybrid power there, which does have its advantage, but like you said, this is all electric, and so once my wheels are pointed straight ahead, I have 100% torque readily shunting to the wheels, and I'm gone.
I mean, it was kind of gratifying to see how much ground I made up on the brakes, but like I said, I've got to be so patient on the exit, because when the electric motor in the front of this thing spools up, you kind of start to get a lot of understeer, so I just have to wait. I kind of want a shot in that thing now, so let's switch.
All right, NSX Type S time. Not changing any settings that Kurt has here. Track mode, gonna use the launch control. It's gonna get off beautifully, and I'm gonna enjoy the symphony of that V6 behind me, because it sounds pretty darn good. Wish me luck.
Now it's my turn. Gonna use the same launch control thing that he did, which is, well, there's only one launch control thing. Hopefully that works, and hopefully the Lucid wins again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, let's do this.
Here we go. Oh my God.
Let's do this.
Always on those shifts. Okay, we got it. Get him back on the brakes. Oh my God, that might have been too late. Nope.
Just get it around the corner. That's all I can do, and then get on the throttle. Full power, let's go. Come on.
Come on, Type S. Oh my God, it's so close.
Come on. Oh, I don't like the lead he's got.
I might have got it though.
Oh my goodness, he's pulling away.
I think I got it. Oh my God. Good job. Good job, NSX. I don't love the brake pedal in this thing because it feels like you're gonna run out of it, but somehow the brakes just come back and miraculously I'm stopping, unlike that Lucid, it appears.
Yeah, it's weird. On the way back, you were actually pulling away from me. I wasn't able to catch up. In the first race, you were pulling away from me, even though we were kind of like neck and neck when we merged back together. I'm wondering if this is getting a little hot. But yeah, the brakes for sure on this car are not that good anymore. But, you know, no excuses. You build a car with 800 horsepower, you should at least put some good brakes on it.
800 horsepower and 5,200 pounds. I mean, it's a lot of inertia that's flying down at the end of the quarter mile. So yeah, I mean, this thing, it's definitely not as quick as a Lucid, but it is not that much slower. Like it, you know, I'm able to hang just for a bit and then you kind of start walking away. But yeah, I don't know, maybe, you know, EVs have their limits. They're not, you know, their thermodynamics still affects them.
Yeah, it was weird. Like I looked over and I think we were just about equal when we left, and then you just started pulling away. So, I mean, I got out of this corner as cleanly as you can get out of it in the Lucid. There was not a lot of chatter or anything else, and yeah, just did my best to keep trucking, but it just wasn't enough.
We'll see. Maybe we should switch one more time and see if old Lucid can't pull a magic trick out of its hat, because we're tied now.
And I hate doing race threes because it means I probably made a mistake. I did not make a mistake. In that last race, you saw the NSX pull away from the Lucid. When in the first race, the Lucid pulled away from the NSX. So we're gonna try it again. I'm hoping that the fact that the NSX is built to do this stuff repeatedly, it's built to do track days, it's built to be driven hard for hours on end, is probably what we're seeing surface right now. Is that's not a race car, it's not a sports car, it's not built to do this stuff over and over again. The NSX is, so hopefully that's what we're seeing, which means hopefully I will win.
Back in the Lucid. I'm not sure what quite to expect because it is getting a little hot. I can hear the fans running, which again, like, yeah, you don't have to deal with intake charge temperatures, but the batteries do get hot when you run them hard like this. So yeah, we'll see. But this is the third race. It's for everything. So let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Oh my God. Oh, you got a good jump. Here I come, here I come. Here I come with the power.
So fast.
And there I go with the brakes. Holy sh! Oh my God. Oh, just not enough tire. Oh my God, come on. Come on, Lucid. Oh!
Got him. I think the Lucid's overcooked.
No more brakes left.
I can't do this too often. Be nice to race a Sapphire, wouldn't it?
Yeah, the brakes are gone. The brakes are... Oh man. Well, that's what happens when you run out of brakes.
Yeah, are they smoked?
You got an awesome launch on that too. Like you were out in front, but I mean, this just has that power advantage, the slight power advantage. Well, I mean, in the beginning, and yeah, I mean, I was able to catch up by the quarter mile, and then I couldn't stop. Like it broke right at the quarter mile, and I just did not have enough brake to really make the corner.
Yeah, I think I got that launch timed like absolutely perfectly, but I think that kind of, the fact that you didn't just sprint by it right away probably means that's starting to pull some power out of it. I mean, once it started to really pick up speed, clearly you just went right by like always. But yeah, I think when I drove that, the brake pedal felt a little funky, and we give ample time for the brakes to cool off in between these runs. All the cars get the same laps, the same slow pace, but yeah, I think that thing's had it.
I mean, that's really the difference between a fast car and then a fast car that's made to repeatedly go fast and also go around corners, because you have carbon ceramic brakes on that, am I not mistaken? And I have, I don't know, not carbon. Yeah, I mean, the Sapphire would be amazing out here.
Here's the track conditions if you want to nerd out. All right, let's break it down. 0 to 60 goes to the Lucid by 0.3 seconds at 3.13. In the quarter mile, it's the Lucid again with 10.86 at 129 miles an hour. Max cornering goes to the NSX, pulling 1.25 Gs. And the win goes to the NSX by 1/10 with its best time of 33 seconds at 136 miles an hour. For anyone interested in our official leaderboard, head on over to edmunds.com/U-Drags. The NSX beat its previous best time and moves up to 8th place. And the Lucid didn't beat its previous best time, and it stays in 9th.
Well, that was exciting.
That was exciting.
I mean, we knew it might be close, but we didn't quite expect this result. It seemed like it was maybe a race of attrition.
I think so. I think it kind of showcases the fact that the NSX has been engineered, designed from the ground up to just do high performance stuff repeatedly.
Yeah, and the Lucid may be good for a fast run, and that's kind of it. But that's not what it's built for, and that's not why we love it.
No, I mean, it's still really fast. It's still, like you said, like you can haul your family in this, haul some ass, haul some family, you know?
Yeah, a little bit of both.
Yeah.
Anyways, that does it for this U-Drags. If you like this content, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe. And for more U-Drags content, visit edmunds.com/U-Drags and stay tuned for the next one.